Morning, everybody. We're back with another trade recap. Um, Today was a little tricky, just because the way price was moving, we're kind of wicking a lot and just a little bit of chop. So coming into the market, if we look at the higher time frame, I was pretty bearish because I assumed that we would just take out this high right here on the hourly. We'd take out the high and just come lower because I still have a super higher time frame draw on that new week opening gap. But we are day traders, so we have to look at what's going on within the hourly and the 1 minute, the 5 minute. Those are the time frames I use. And so when I saw we came up to this high on the 1 minute, it was like right away. So we literally market open, pushed higher, started coming lower. We opened this first presented fair value gap. In my eyes, I was still very bearish because we had a bearish SMT where ES um ES swept, but the Nasdaq didn't, and so I was super bearish. So once I came here, I was anticipating taking a short right here, but I was still super patient because I saw how we were wicking. I just didn't like how that was moving, and so once I saw we came up here, and then started pushing higher, inversing this. That's a very like big confluence, us inversing this. So then I looked and saw in the 4 hour that we have this big gap that we probably want to fill, and that's what we're doing right now. So then kind of flipped my bias to being bullish just to fill this gap. And so um, once we had nice displacement up, for some reason I didn't want to take an entry here or here. Those were the ideal entries, but um, you could also just find like a continuation model, um, which is basically just finding like a fair value gap with this super strong draw. And right here, I took two trades, well, one on each account, and I only needed 400 to pass one of my combines. So this smaller one, I was able to pass it right very quickly. And then on my other account, I'm still need to get more, so I was targeting this high, or I was really targeting this 50%. Um, but I really didn't like how price was moving. So once we were like up here, I set my stops to break even, and that's how I made 400 in one account, and then I got stopped at break even on my other account. Um, it looks like we just wanted to come lower, and then now we're just wasting higher. So that's really it for today. Um, wasn't the best price action, wasn't super clean compared to yesterday, but that's just how the market is. Every day is going to be different, and you just have to learn how to adapt to these conditions. And so, yeah, I'm just focused on being consistent. I'm literally going to post a video every single day. Um, so that's about it. I hope y'all have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, and yeah, that's it. Peace.